Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Well, today guys, I have a little bit of a cold, so this is a quick and easy meal. Quick and easy meals are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor or her other channel for this collab, which is simply Grace Lifestyle. So today, guys, since I have a cold, I made some Tyson Chicken Patty, which comes with some white gravy, some Checkers fries, and some frozen green beans, which I've added Better Than Bouillon to. So this is really quick and easy. This is what you do when you have a bit of a cold. I don't think anybody wants you cooking for them if you have a cold. So quick and easy meals are hosted every Sunday. So if you would like to join us, feel free. You can make anything from a shake, a smoothie, breakfast, lunch, or dessert and dinner, whatever you choose to do for quick and easy meals. You can eat out or you can do takeout. So feel free to come and join us on quick and easy meals. Okay, so I hope that you guys have a good Sunday and enjoy your day, enjoy the upcoming week with your family and friends. And until the next one, bye-bye. And one more thing I want to say before I go, guys. Please click on Simply Grace Lifestyle and see what she is making today for quick and easy meals. Okay? Bye-bye.